got Mr. Griffin in the house today with his Danger Ranger. We're putting a D.I.Y homemade snorkel kit on it. Because his intake's right here. He likes to drown it out.
That I do.
Alright, we're down here at our local snorkel supplier. We'll buy some D.I.Y parts and any other kind of side-by-side products. Alright, we made it back from the snorkel supply store. Got us a 32 reducer. We'll work on the belt exhaust, the intake for the air box, and the belt intake first. Any words of wisdom?
So we don't screw it up.
Don't get a Ranger.
Carry an umbrella when it rains.
That's right.
What's the thing about it, Cody?
Crank makes me nervous.
Ain't nothing but plastic.
Yeah. Damn money, just like Thomas is.
Doing an update. We got the intake done. Start working on the belt. Test fitting the belt intake.
Give me a 45.
Special guest Stephen Poe here.
At least he didn't call you the bearded bandit.
Holy shit.
Bearded bandit.
He's bowing down, you buddy.
If you didn't bring no beer out here, get back in the house. We drank all that. Pac-Man drank all that.
Well. Nobody asked. Let the engineer do it.
Well, hell, I was letting you do it. I done every damn thing.
Yeah, but we don't work for Cole's Engineering, so.
Hey, you're sponsoring the video. I don't hear no shit.
Still ain't give us our $2,000.
I don't need that sponsorship money.
Yeah, but y'all got y'all on video, so there you go.
We'll pay you now, the boys. How about that?
Alright, that'll work.
Yeah.
Let me get back to work so some shit will get done around here.
I'll park the bunny a little bit like, what the fuck is that?
Look at you
Look
now.
at that. I did.
I think you bet's long enough.
I think I was just good enough to do it.
We're about done, fellas.
You gonna let me get over there and finish?
Excuse me. Let me get back over here. Got her finished up. Did a couple more 90s. It's getting early. We're low on beer. Gonna wrap it up for tonight.
Nitrous.
Alright, here we go.
Alright. Ain't doing nothing. There we go. Get it close.
If you like our video, like and subscribe. We ain't got no parts to put in the description, but we'll see you next time.